Hello friends, this is Kalluri Lakshmindra Simharao, Senior Civil Advocate practicing in Common Courts and Chairman of Bharat Technologies Private Limited. Today, we are going to discuss on partition in Hindu family. In Hindu law, the partition refers to dividing a giant Hindu family's property in order to confer separate status on its members. Partition occurs in India because each family member wants to assert their own identity. According to Hindu law, the concept of co-personer is integral to the giant Hindu family's property. Each co-personer is entitled to an equal share of the giant Hindu family's property and holds an inherent title over it. A Hindu giant family that partitions loses the giant status of a family. However, the state of giantness can be established within the family by having at least two co-partners present. As a result, there are often many family properties disputes, especially in cases involving conflict over land. In such cases, one individual needs to be family with, with the land dispute laws in India. Partition can be effected on the following methods: partition deed, family settlement, filing of a lawsuit. Partition deed. It is a legally binding document that ensures each party of a partition decree deed receives a fair share, hence leading to follow the partition suit law in India. Family settlement deed. A settlement agreement following the same format as a partition deed but does not require registration or stamping. All family members must sign the family settlement agreement. Filing of suit. Filing of a lawsuit. When there are disagreement among the co-owners on how the property should be divided, one or more of them may file a partition suit in their jurisdictional of the court. Procedure for filing a partition suit. The initial step prior to documenting a partition suit is to send a legitimate notification. In the event that the notification goes to the disregarded, the offended party can continue with the documenting of the suit. From there on, you need to follow the below referred advances. Draft a plaint as per the configuration recommended by the court. The party regarding objections is alluded to the offended party, while the contradicting party is known as the litigant. Permanent subtleties, including the name of the gatherings, postal address, nature of the objections, and an affirmation guaranteeing the substance of the plaintiff is considered with its information ought to be painstakingly be referenced. Record of powers of attorney, which is a proper archive instigating capacity to Baker to the address of the customer in question of the debate. Make an installment of the court fee which shifts the contingent on the case and from the state to another. You can decide the court fee with the assistance of our hand. When the fee is paid, the court will fix up the date of hearing and settle the benefits of the case. A significant highlight recall here is that the court will possibly continue with the case in the event that if it discovers any benefit in the suit. In light of the caution of the court, a lawful notification would be given to the respondent requesting their appearance upon the arrival of the following hearing. The contradicting party on receipt of the notification necessities to record a composed assertion which is a reaction of the plaint. Document by the offended party. The composed assertions should be documented inside 30 days of the receipt of the notification. In any case, time span can be stretched out as long as 90 days if the court grants. After getting the composite assertion, the offended party needs to either concede or deny the assertion made by the respondent. The answer as a composite record is named as replication. The answer of the as a composite record is named as replication. The pleadings are finished once the replication is documented with the court. From the point of gatherings are approached to submit applicable archives to prove their cases. In any case, the validity to dismiss or acknowledge the records stays with the court. To demonstrate their cases, the gatherings additionally need to deliver the observers inside 15 days from the date of outlining the issues. The court passes the last request by thinking about their rundown of records, documents by the gatherings, such as the archives created by them in the court of law. The gatherings in gather and ensure duplicate of the last required from the court. The draft of notices, partition suit, affidavits, court fee, calculations, citations from the Honorable Supreme Court and the Honorable High Courts are available at our handy. Thank you.